Now, after handling of prescription, our topic is modern methods of prescribing. In modern methods of prescribing, nowadays the majority of the drugs are available in the market as ready-made formulation manufacturing by different pharmaceutical companies. The drug should be prescribed by its official name and not by its proprietary or trade name. And third one is, there are certain advantages and disadvantages of prescribing the drugs by its proprietary name, which are under advantages and disadvantages. In case of modern method of prescribing, जे ड्रग आहेत ते मेजर प्रमाणात अवेलेबल आहे मार्केटमध्ये. तर द ड्रग शुड बी प्रिस्क्राईब इट्स ऑफिशियल नेम. तर त्याच्या ऑफिशियल नेमने ते प्रिस्क्राईब केले जातात. देअर आर सर्टन ॲडव्हान्टेजेस अँड डिसॲडव्हान्टेजेस ऑफ ड्रग्ज बाय इट्स प्रोप्रायटरी नेम विच आर अंडर. Then first one is, it's easy to remember proprietary because they are very catchy. Then second, it is easy to communicate with the patient. Then there are disadvantages. Prescription is general practice. Then second one, private prescription, hospital prescription meant for outpatients. And then hospital prescription meant for inpatient. What is this? These are 4 types of prescription which are generally received by the retail drugs. It is chapter. Then in case of modern methods of prescribing, disadvantages include, it is cheaper to prescribe the drug by its official name. म्हणजे आपण जो ड्रग जर त्याच्या ऑफिशियल नेमनी प्रिस्क्राईब केला तर तो ॲज कम्पेअर टू अनादर नेम तो स्वस्त असतो. इट बिकम डिफिकल्ट टू फार्मासिस्ट टू डिस्पेन्स दी सबस्टिट्यूट ऑफ द ड्रग विच इज अवेलेबल इन द स्टॉक. देन 4 types are generally received by drug in store. And in that one, prescription in general practice, private prescription, hospital prescription meant for outpatients, then hospital prescription meant for inpatient. Then केअर रिक्वायर्ड इन डिस्पेन्सिंग प्रिस्क्रिप्शन. जेव्हा पण आपण डिस्पेन्स करणारे प्रिस्क्रिप्शन त्यावेळेस आपल्याला काय काय काळजी घ्यायची असते. तर फर्स्ट वन इज, फॉलोइंग प्रिकॉशन शुड बी टेकन व्हाईल डिस्पेन्सिंग अ प्रिस्क्रिप्शन. Then first, always keep the prescription before you take the prescription with you while taking out the medicine from the shelf. It will serve as a constant reminder of the name and strength of the prescription required and helps to avoid mistakes. To avoid mistake, it is important and it will serve as a constant reminder of the name and strength of the preparation required and to avoid mistake. Second one, always check the dispensing balance before weighing the ingredient which are required and help to avoid mistake. जेव्हा पण आपण एखादं इन्ग्रेडियंट वे करणार त्यावेळेस इट इज इम्पॉर्टंट टू चेक दी डिस्पेन्स्ड बॅलन्स and required and what it required because to avoid the mistake. Then next one is calculation involved in dispensing. To calculate part which are involved in dispensing so that pharmacists should have a through regarding weights and measures which are used in calculation. In case of calculation of dispensing, 2 methods. First one is imperial system and another one is metric system. There are 2 types which involved in dispensing of calculation. Then first one is imperial system and another one is metric system. Measurement of capacity in imperial system. The standard units for capacity is same for both the Avogadro-Poisson and the apothecaries system. The gallon is the standard unit and other measures of capacity are derived from it. The gallon is important standard unit and another measures of capacity are derived from it. First, 1 gallon is equal to 160 fluid ounces. Then 1/4 of gallon is equal to 1 quart. Then 1/8 of gallon is equal to 1 point. Then 1/160th of gallon is 1 flounce. 1 quart 40 flounces. Then 1 pint is equal to 20 flounces. 1 flounce is equal to 480 minims. Then 1 full drink is equal to 60 minimum. This is the conversion table. And their standard unit is gallon and other measures of capacity are derived from it. Calculation based on density. Our next topic is calculation based on density. Density, what is meant by density? The density is defined as the mass of a substance per unit volume. What is meant by density is the mass of a substance per unit volume. It has the units of mass over volume. It has the units of mass over volume. Then specific gravity. Then what is meant by specific gravity is the ratio of mass of the substance in air to that of an equal volume of water. It is the ratio of mass of a substance in air to that of an equal volume of water. In the metric system, both density and specific gravity are numerically equal. In the metric system, both density and specific gravity are numerically equal. First one is density. Then density, after density the important is specific gravity. And metric system, both density and specific gravity are numerically equal in case of calculation of involved in dispensing. Weight is equal to volume and density. Density is equal to weight divided by volume or density into volume. In that, first one is weight measures and capacity measures. What was it? It's weight measures and capacity measures. In case of weight measures, metric system and imperial system. Metric system involve 1 kilogram is equal to 2.2 IB pound. Then 30 gram is equal to 1 ounce. 450 gram is equal to 1 pound. 1 gram is equal to 15 grains. 60 mg is equal to 1 grain. Then capacity measure. 1000 ml is equal to 1 quart, 500 ml is equal to 1 pint, 30 ml is equal to 1 fluid ounce, 4 ml is equal to 1 fluid drachm, 1 ml is equal to 15 minimums and 0.06 ml is equal to 1 minimum. Then conversion table. In case of conversion table, the Pharmacopoeia of India uses only the metric system in formula, but the prescription are still written in imperial system by many old time physicians. So a conversion table is used by the pharmacist. In case of conversion table, first one is weight measures, then second one is capacity measures. And in case of weight measures, what we will see, metric system and imperial system and their part as 1000 ml is equal to 1 quart, 1 kilogram is equal to 2.2 IB pound, 30 gram is equal to 1 ounce, 450 gram is equal to 1 pound, 1 gram is equal to 15 grains and 60 mg is equal to 1 grain.